Hello traders, I'm happy to make a new video for you, and today we will talk about the best indicator for scalping. Let's start. I bet you expecting a super indicator with lines and arrows that for sure will spot perfect entry points for you. But today we are talking about the most useful analytical indicator that will assist you in setup selection. Lazy scalp board. We can search it in trading view, here in indicators, lazy scalp, this one. It's quite minimalistic and we only need these four parameters. Daily volume, it shows the total volume of trades within 24 hours. Then average volume shows the average parameter. Nether or normalized ATR, showing the extent of volatility. It's useful for those who trade pipsing strategy where an instrument should be very volatile. And finally, correlation with the BTC. The higher correlation is, the more an instrument follows the BTC. If you are a pipser, you should find a strong instrument that has the minimum correlation with the BTC to avoid unexpected surprises during your trades. If we look at the BTC, correlation here will be 1. It's logical. So where and how we can apply this indicator? The best application is breakout strategy. When we are searching for a proper setup, we have quite good formation, several touches to the level. We are expecting the breakout, but it finally shows very weak false breakout, and then the price rolls in quickly. How to predetermine whether the breakout will be sharp with a good impulse or it will be fake? We should select only those setups on altcoins where daily volume is more or equal to 200 millions per day. This is the minimal daily volume to provide proper liquidity above or below different levels and provide enough pushing power to bring the impulse. If we have BTC, it usually have more than 2 billion or on Ethereum, but we are talking only about the altcoins. The instruments accept BTC and Ethereum. If it's, for example, 50 million, it's usually a lack of participants and lack of power to push the price so confidently. So you should be aware that there is enough volume within one day to provide you the really good breakout. Now you have another effective tool how to select the instruments for the breakout strategy.